guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. Check it out, man. I got this nice portable tool cart from Workpro, and we're going to take a look at it, and then if you want to stick around, I'll show you how to assemble this thing. It comes in a pretty small box, which is how they're able to ship these things so easily. You know, most of the time when you're looking at buying toolboxes, you got to go and pick those up at stores, and you know, the cost is factored in. Those get delivered by freight. Well, Workpro figured out a way, very ingenious, to put this thing into a much smaller package, and it's still extremely well built. But what you get for that price is 2 rolling swivel casters and 2 regular casters. A nice handle here. I'll take the camera off the mount here in a second and show you the rest of this, but pads for each drawer. 3 work drawers. And a lockable cabinet down here. Both sides open up, give you a nice storage area inside as well. That's designed for text, so there's a lock back here. You can actually use it to lock the drawers as well. And then no one can get in, making it perfect for a new tech at a shop, a dealership, whatever, or just a roll cart for a seasoned technician to have on hand. I mean, this is a very useful little tool. Blue paint, pretty nice looking, I like that. The sides here have pegboard, metal pegboard, so you can hang stuff. The inside also available, and even on the inside of these lower doors, there's pegboard in there as well. And that's on both sides. So the back, nice metal here, and on this side as well, we have more pegboard for you to hang stuff off of. So I like that. I like it. On the top and in each of the drawers, we got these nice included non-slip mats. They're embroidered with Workpro. Pretty cool. Yeah, let me get the camera off the tripod. I'll walk you around it, and like I said, if you're interested in buying one of these things, I'll leave a link for it, but if you're interested in seeing how it's assembled, well, that'll come up next. Let's do it. All right, here we are, and not a bad little piece of equipment here. Let me show you what I was talking about up here with this, with nice embroidered non-slip. One thing I liked about it while assembling, I made some comments on this, that this is all rounded edges here, so you put something in here, you're not going to scratch it with a bare piece of, like a nut and a piece of a bolt sticking through. Finish on it's really nice, actually. Like a good blue paint. This is the lock I was telling you about. Sits in here, and you unlock that, and now we can open our drawers up. And you can see they also have anti-slip. The casters are lockable, which is nice. Just push down on here so we get to a spot we don't want that to move. Now it's locked, right? Let go. Now I have to push it with my foot, but there you go. Locks for this as well, and it does come with 2 keys for each of these. And you can see what I mean. Like, we got locks here, or spots here to hang more stuff. Pretty cavernous area there. Good spot for, blow molded cases or chemicals, or just bigger tools that you might have laying around the shop. That's nice. Nice. Right? Cool. And there's a nice little Workpro emblem. I've got a metal shelf unit that I got from these guys years ago. I bought online. Been happy with it. It hasn't rusted or anything like that. But yeah, overall, I just like the look of this. It's good size. I think it's about the same size as my old Craftsman box, as far as like 26, maybe a few inches shorter, but perfect for a tool cart, for rolling bay cart, stuff like that. And pretty stout, so this is the big thing. You wonder, is this thing going to be built well? And it doesn't flex, it moves back and forth, but it doesn't flex at all, and I really like that about it. All right, well, let's get into it, and I'll show you how this thing is assembled, and that'll wrap it up. Take care.